the WillPopScope widget. When I go inside a second page and I try to come back with the arrow Android button, this doesn't work because I use the WillPopScope widget. Let me show you how to create this. First, inside a center widget, we create an elevated button. The onPress will just trigger another page, which is called the next page. This is the class. Next, I will also add a child text next page. So when I click on this elevated button, we go inside this page. And this one will have the WillPopScope widget. The child will be a scaffold widget. The background color will be blue. The app bar will be a title text next page. And the body will be a center widget. The onWillPop will have a function and we will just return false. So now if I click on next page, you will see that this button is blocked, but also this one. So what we can do to solve this problem, we can change the leading for an icon button. When we press on this, we trigger the navigator.pop and the icon will be arrow back. Now if I click on the button, we can go back in the first page. And the bottom WillPopScope is still blocked. The only reason why the button is blocked is because we returned the value false. This was the WillPopScope widget.